harpy eagle from South America and a Philippine monkey-eating eagle. This one here has an 8-foot wingspan, weighs in at 17 pounds 4 ounces, so she's a big girl, and this is Nikita, and her original homeland would be Eastern Russia, Japan and Korea. There's a peninsula called Kamchatka, and it's a land of volcanoes, massive wide open spaces, tundra regions of the world where there's lots of snow and ice, and of course that black and white plumage will blend in very well with tundra regions of the world. And this particular bird here has developed over thousands of years into this enormous creature to survive there. It does have some tricks up its sleeve, and of course just being big means that it can go a few days without any tea. And in fact, I suppose when Nikita first arrived, she came and she didn't want to eat at all because of the stress of moving her from one place to another. She was scared. And again, like all birds, she does have a natural fear of anything that's bigger than herself. So she stopped eating for 16 days of her own free will. She was born in a zoo in the Czech Republic. We were very lucky to be able to purchase a pair of these about 3 years ago. We have a boy called Spike, and this one, Nikita, is the female, although I am aware that Nikita is a boy's name also in Russia. But this